Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the toner cartridges, the waste toner box and the drum units on Xerox Versalink C400 model. So first I will show you how to replace the toner cartridges. Open the front cover. Here we have our toner cartridges. For example, let's replace the cyan toner. Press the handle and pull out the cartridge. Then in a reverse order, push back the toner. Let's repeat with the yellow. Take out the old one and place back the new. Now let me show you how to replace the waste toner box. Here is our waste toner box. Rotate this lever to release the box, then take the handle and pull out the box. Under the waste toner box we have the 4 drum units. How to replace them? Just slightly pull down the desired unit and it will pop out. Take the new one and place here. For example, let's take out the black unit, push down and it will slightly pop out. Replace it, then place back the waste toner box, lock with the lever and close the side door. And that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.